Hi, it's Sandy Parker, and welcome to Crafting for Almost Everyone. Today we're going to do a fast, last-minute card. I hope you'll stay tuned. Well, I forgot to use the word Christmas in there, but anyway, I thought I would show you this card that I made. I've been making a few of them. They don't take very long, and I really like the results. I got this Christmas tree die from In Love Arts, and I cut it out of a foil paper that's in green. Then I cut my paper to 8.5 across by 5.5 inch tall, scored it at 4 1/4. Then I took my ink pad of Fired Brick Distress Oxide, and I just went like this and rubbed it around the edges. That's all. Fast, in and out. Then I cut down this extra paper to 5 1/4 by 4, and then I put a piece of fun foam on the back of it, and I'm attaching it with tear tape so it's easy to adhere and it stays on. Then all we need to do is line this up, and I like to do it from this corner down the bottom. Try to make sure it's as straight as possible. Could be not so straight, but it looks like it is. Not horrible. Then I already put wet glue on the back of my tree because I didn't want you to have to wait forever for the tree part. And I'm going to just line him up so he's fighting me a little bit. I just want to make sure that I get him attached to my card base. I have a little bit of glue on me, and that should keep it on there. Then what I thought I would do is something fun on the bottom. On the other one I made this one, and I just put a ribbon across the bottom. It was alright, but I thought I would try something a little bit more frisky. I have these Recollections Bling on a Roll, and I thought that'd be really fun to run across the bottom. So that's what I'm going to do with those. Just so it adds a little bit of base to my tree, if you know what I mean. And then I just have to cut those. Hopefully I won't have a big issue doing that, because you know me. I don't know if you saw my hand. I have a big boo-boo from my hot glue gun. I had to change out the poinsettias that were on the wreath, the big wreath that I hang on the side of the house, and so I used my new glue gun. I have to report that it worked like a champ and never leaked. I probably used at least 20 glue strips and sticks, and I didn't have any leakage, and the only thing I did is burn myself 3 times. So with that being said, the one in my hand, I actually took the tip of the gun and went, I don't know what I was thinking, but that's what I did. It was a moment there. I just had a little issue. Okay. Then, the other thing I want to do to this, in the inside of the card, I already put Season's Greetings, which was simple enough. Then the other thing I thought I would do is just take some of these different colored, everybody has these embellishments, and I'm going to use my new tool that I use for diamonds, and just kind of put purple ones here and there. I have a variety of colors and sizes of these, so I figured I would just kind of try a few of them. Come on, get in there. They're fighting me a little bit. Why wouldn't they be? And when you do this, the best way to do it is to kind of stagger your colors, you know, like here and there, so that you don't have a bunch of purples all in the same area, which is what I usually do. I usually end up going, oh, geez, everything's in the same area color-wise. And let's see, I have little pink pearls. I thought we'd play with some of those. I have all kinds of this kind of stuff. I know we all do. You go to Michael's or any of the craft stores that have those bins, and you'll find this kind of stuff in the bin, and you're like, oh, I need to have some pearls, even though you already have a couple hundred sets of them. And the thing I don't like about these pearls is that they have them all connected together. So you have to kind of snip them apart. And I don't like doing that, just to be honest with you. Okay. So I'll just lay some of these down, and I'm just going to have Rich fast forward while I do this, and maybe play a little Christmas music while we're waiting, and hopefully then you'll get an idea of what it's going to look like at the end. So that's what our card looks like. All we need to do is put our stamp on the back and we're all set. I hope you enjoyed this, that you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Please tell your friends about me on social media because you know I love that. And thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.